CES has always been about the future. But this year was different. This was the year that AI got serious. NVIDIA, LG, Siemens, they didn't just show off new gadgets. They unveiled a new reality, a world where AI is the invisible infrastructure powering everything around us. And it all starts with the robots. For years, we've seen videos of robots doing parkour and dancing. Impressive, sure, but not exactly useful. Well, that's over. Boston Dynamics, the company behind those viral videos, is now putting their Atlas robot to work in manufacturing plants. And they're not alone. LG just unveiled their CLOiD home robot, the centerpiece of their zero-labor home vision. Boy, I'm down for that. This isn't just a vacuum cleaner. This is a full-on robotic assistant that can do your laundry, cook your breakfast, and manage your smart home. Powered by what LG calls physical AI, a combination of advanced vision and language models that allow it to understand and interact with the world just like a human. And they're not just building the robots, they're building the components, the very joints and muscles of these machines with their new AXIUM actuator technology. This is a company that's been building your washing machines for decades, and now they're building the robots that will operate them. Think about that for a second. And this is just the beginning. We're about to dive into the Industrial Metaverse, the future of your car, and the AI that's literally going inside your body. And I've talked about that on previous videos. It's a lot to take in, I know. So if you're getting value from this, do me a huge favor and hit that like button, subscribe to the AI Guide, and share this video with someone whose mind you want to blow. And if you want to support the channel directly, check out my Patreon. Your support means the world. Now let's get back to it. As mind-blowing as home robots are, what's happening in the industrial world is even bigger. Siemens and NVIDIA just announced a partnership that will change manufacturing forever. Siemens, by the way, one of the largest electronics manufacturers in the world. They're building the Industrial AI Operating System, a platform to create fully AI-driven, adaptive factories. And they're not just talking about it, they're building the first one this year in Germany. The videos coming out of this factory will set the future. They're using something called the Digital Twin Composer, which lets them create a perfect virtual replica of a factory. They can simulate everything, from the movement of every machine to the path of every worker. PepsiCo is already using this to design their new facilities, and they've seen a 20% increase in throughput and a 90% reduction in potential issues before a single screw is turned. This is the Industrial Metaverse, and it's going to make our supply chains faster, more efficient, and more resilient. By the way, folks, a 20% efficiency gain doesn't sound like a lot, but that's almost unheard of in manufacturing. It almost never happens. And what's powering all of this? NVIDIA. They're not just a graphics card company anymore. They're the engine of the AI revolution. They're building the chips, the models, and the infrastructure that's making all of this possible. They're calling this the ChatGPT moment for robotics. And honestly, they're not wrong. Of course, it wouldn't be CES without some insane car tech. And this year did not disappoint. We saw the announcement of a level 4 self-driving car with an onboard supercomputer that can perform over 8,000 trillion operations per second. You heard that right. That's more power than you have in your entire house. dedicated to driving you safely to your destination. Ford is aiming for eyes-off driving by 2028, and Tensor unveiled its AI-first robocar, which will be hitting the streets with Lyft in the near future. As I've been telling you, the autonomous future is no longer a distant dream, it's right around the corner. So all of this stuff is almost here, folks. And stick with me to the end to understand what this all means for you, because it means a lot. But it's not all about giant robots and self-driving cars. The most surprising trend at CES was how AI is disappearing into the objects we use every day. We saw the Y-brush, a toothbrush that analyzes your breath to detect health patterns. The lollipop star, which plays music through your bones while you eat it. That is a trip. And the magic screen, a snap-on layer that turns your MacBook into a touchscreen. This is the quiet revolution of AI. It's becoming invisible, intuitive, and deeply integrated into all aspects of our lives. It's not about the spectacle anymore, it's about utility. It's about making our lives easier, healthier, and more connected. So what's the big takeaway from CES 2026? It's that AI has finally broken free from the digital world. It's no longer just code. It's a physical force that's reshaping our reality. The line between the digital and the physical is blurring. And the world is about to get a whole lot smarter. The question is, are you ready for it? And that's a perfect segue to what I was going to say to you. Several occupations were mentioned about new devices coming into those occupations to automate them. If you're in one of those fields, you need to switch careers now. You got 3 years to do it, and then you're SOL. So, what do you think about all this stuff that was announced at CES? What do you think is the most game-changing AI announcement? Leave your comments below, and I'll be down there responding to as many of you as I can. Also, please like, subscribe, and share this video, and please support us on Patreon. Believe it or not, your small dollar monthly donations of $1, $2, $5 a month really makes a big difference for us. Thanks so much. We'll see you next time. Take care.